Hello and welcome to TechTube. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can enable the protection mode on Rednote. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is open up the Rednote app on your phone. After you do this, hit the three lines on the top left hand corner. Then click on Settings, which you see on the bottom right left. Then what you need to do is find Privacy Settings. Go ahead and tap on Privacy Settings, and at the top is Protection Mode. When enabled, you will not receive private messages, comments, sharings from unfollowed people. So if you want to turn on the protection mode and make your account private and make sure that nobody who you don't follow or who they don't follow you will have no access to your account and they cannot see any type of contents, messages and anything. So go ahead and tap on this option over here, and as soon as you tap on it, you can see the protection mode has been turned on. So quite easy, guys. Go ahead to the three lines on the top, click on Settings and go to Privacy Settings. You can find Protection Mode. Go ahead and enable the protection mode if you want extra security. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.